Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to reprogram Schlage BE489WB lock, fix codes, pairing, and keypad issues. Reprogramming a Schlage encode smart Wi-Fi deadbolt BE489WB is typically done remotely using the Schlage Home app. However, if your lock has never been connected to the app, you can manually reprogram access codes via the touch screen. First, find your programming code. Before you can manually reprogram the lock, you need your 6-digit programming code, and this can be found on the white label on the back of the lock assembly or inside the user guide. Method 1. Add a new user. First, ensure the door is unlocked, then enter the 6-digit programming code. Now wait for the keypad to flash amber, indicating it is in programming mode. After that, press the home or house icon button and then enter the new 4 to 8 digit user code you want to create. Once done, press the home button again. Then re-enter the new user code to confirm. Now the lock will flash green and beep twice to confirm success. Method 2. Delete a user code. First enter the 6-digit programming code, then wait for the keypad to flash amber. Now press the lock button and then enter the user code you want to delete. Now press the lock button again and re-enter the user code to confirm. Now the lock will flash green and beep twice to confirm the code is removed. Method 3. Changing your programming code. If you want to change the 6-digit administrative code itself without using the app, first enter the current 6-digit programming code and press the Schlage button. Now press 3 on the keypad. Then enter your new 6-digit programming code and re-enter the new 6-digit programming code to confirm. Method 4. Factory reset and reconnecting. If you are logged out and can't find your programming code or are trying to set up the lock on a new Wi-Fi network, a factory reset is required. First, remove the battery cover and disconnect the batteries. Then press and hold the Schlage button on the outside keypad. And while you are holding the button, reconnect the battery. Now release the button once the light flashes green and you hear a beep. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.